2011 Chevrolet Traverse engine type 346 LT. How to replace alternator. First time, you remove the receiver tank and the fuel box and the cover fuel box, engine mount, on. Take off alternator. Push. Check the brake good apart the same. Yeah. Into alternator. Into alternator. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you give me the bowl I put in. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. You put here. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
It will.
This car is crazy.
Yeah. Okay, you tight it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Tightening bolt and upward two bolt and rotating the belt, the cover, this one, and fuel box, engine mount. Thank you watching video. If you like, you support for me. Thank you. Next time I put video, I'm appreciate when you support for me. Thank you.